All right, yeah, I'm rolling. All right, we got a multi-vehicle collision. More than one truck from us, of course. Southbound 5. South of Lake Forest. No hard hat today, so just gonna have to do with what I got. Anything sitting on the back of the truck? Oh, don't know. Find out here. Get this gate closed up. Get rolling. As soon as he's out of my way, I'm gonna just scoop this up real quick. Well, we just got to get done cleaning up here. We got a nice email from you guys' department. I'm not sure if it was for all areas in general or not, but they were specific about cleanup.
Oh yeah?
I guess somebody was leaving a lot of shit behind. It wasn't to us directly, it was just to all the tow companies about cleaning up the scenes.
Yeah, I didn't hear anything at the office, so I'm not sure who it came from.
At the end of the day, it's up to your guys' discretion. You tell us what you want to do. You know what I mean? You're in control of the scene. It might have just been Westminster only, though, for all I know. I just heard it was an email. They got a tow officer over there. I think she's already gone, but they brought her in. She was pretty anally retentive. Pretty big mess. We're gonna have to shovel this shit around, and I'm gonna soak up as much of this crap as I can. Try to get over here a little bit. This shit's pretty bad. That's pretty much it. This shit looks like it's toast. Well, at least we get the puddles. We're gonna have to get more, dude. There's no way. This is way too oily. All right, Do what you can here to get this. I'm gonna have to tell the officer I'm gonna have to run back to the shop real quick and get more. This is pretty bad. Yeah. I was gonna ask you if you want me to come back with more absorbent because we about used all our buckets and there's still some oil on there. Yeah, I mean it's looking like I'm gonna have to go get some more. It's pretty bad. I mean we can probably cut it down to just this lane, and our shop's literally right here.
Somebody coming out here?
No, I have to go get it.
Could you call somebody and have them come out here? Because we got the place down.
I'll call.
Start having a lot more wrecks back.
No, I know, I got you. I'm trying to do it as quickly as possible. Let me call.
I get it.
Let me call. I was just thinking it might be faster for me to go get it and leave one of you guys here. Let me call. My got a kid at the shop, so I can call him real quick.
Want to leave that lane covered up?
We got more coming. They want to open the lane. Yeah, so the right lane is gonna, the next lane over to the right is gonna get open. Guess grab a broom and sweep that shit back and forth. On Cave. don't worry about mashing it in, it's already toast. Thank you, sir. All right, let's dump it, power sweep. That, for the most part, is done. Let's just hit this, dump it all. We're gonna have to fucking... sweep that in. I'm gonna hit this back here a little bit. Leave a little bit of a coating. Good job behind you. All right, let's get it all piled up. And I'll just throw the light dusting down. You got a big chunk under your truck. Pull your truck up real quick. All right, grab a shovel, start getting it up. Like I said, just throw a light dusting. The other can on the driver's side of my truck's empty. I'll grab that right now. Too much strips, I'm gonna skip it around. this and that's it. We'll leave the rest. All right. Throw it on the back. There's a slot right there. There, just throw the shovel in here. We're gonna be going back to the yard anyways. Yep. All right, that one needs to go on the other side. Which one? That one. Driver's side. Is that gonna be good for you guys? I left a little light coating down just to give a little bit of traction.
Yeah, that's great.
All right, we're ready to go. There it goes. Romeo X-ray in tow. Yeah, and there's a few things I did to put on this thing, but as you can see, we were trying to get off the freeway and moved out. Good Lord. Whew, the fence guy's here. I can kill the hazard lights. Oh man, what the hell? I hope this thing wasn't shaky real bad. No way to know. My hard hat's in the other truck, so I didn't have an opportunity to grab it since I'm in a different truck. So, doing the head strap here. I may have to go out and talk to that girl here in a minute. I'm not sure he exactly knows how to explain it correctly. That strap came off, that's alright, at least it stayed on the truck. It's the thing about these trucks, sometimes the straps pop loose when you hit like the driveway dip, that's where it came off. Because the wheel bottomed out, it came loose. What I am going to do though, before I roll it up, is just reset it. This thing needs a little oil. Alright. Have to deal with all this absorbent. Have to get more. I mean, that's the thing. Had they just told us it was a lot of cleanup, bring extra absorbent, totally would have. It wouldn't have been a big deal. All right. We're gonna have to figure out what trash can goes where here. I think he's got one of mine. I think this one goes on the flatbed. Oh yeah. See, I could reuse this stuff here in the yard, but I want all this darker stuff out. Problem is not mixing it up. All right, that's all trash. This is used, okay for later. That's all 100% screwed off. I think this one goes to the flatbed. Oh man, need to refill these. Just need to move these out of the way. Dead soldiers. Actually, no, they're all empty. Just recycle at this point. Oh, I'll change And I'll find out what he's doing here in a minute. If he's on the fence, then that's going to be an iffy of what the hell. Instead of bags, we just keep it in here. Granted, this dust probably isn't the greatest thing for you, but okay, that one's done. Let me go get the other one, drop this thing down. I had to figure out what can's good at what now. Probably would have made it a little easier if they were marked. Oh well. Go outside and figure out what the hell he's got going on. Alright guys, if we wind up dropping that one in here, I'll come back. If not, thanks for watching.